how to speak English fluently from the beginning. Yes, friends, this is today's topic, and I'm gonna share some tips and tricks in today's video. And I guarantee you, if you follow those tips and tricks, so definitely you can speak English very fluently, friends. Even if you are a beginner, don't worry, you are a beginner and you are thinking to start your English journey, and you just want to improve your communication skill, you want to speak very fluently from the beginning, so you can do it. There is no problem, you can do it. It's not very tough. If you follow some rules, if you follow some steps, so definitely you can speak, I think, within 2 months very fluently. Because when I was a beginner, I was also thinking like what steps I have to take to start my English journey, how to speak English fluently from the beginning. Okay, and I followed some tips and tricks, and you can see how am I speaking. So friends, if you really want to speak English, so you have to also focus towards some strategies, towards some rules, okay, towards some tips and tricks, and you can also speak this language. If I am speaking this language, so you can also speak this language, because this language is not mine, it's not my mother tongue. I have also learned this language with a lot of difficulty. Okay, I have also faced so many situations, I have also put myself in the uncomfort zone, I also accepted challenges, and after that I am able to speak in English language. So if you also accept some challenges, if you also put yourself in the uncomfort zone, okay, so definitely you can also speak. Okay, everyone who is willing to speak, and if he is determined, so he can speak. So if you really want to speak, so you have to be very determined towards this language. Okay, whatever may be, you have to practice of your speaking. Okay, friends, so first thing what you have to do, so when I was a beginner, what I did, first thing is mindset. Whatever I was speaking, since morning to evening, I always spoke in English. Whenever I talked to anyone, I tried my best to talk in English. If that person was unable to understand my sentences, so I converted into Hindi. But first and foremost, I tried my best to speak in English. Really, friends, when I was doing this type of action, I really struggled with word, vocabulary, okay, sentence formation, what is the situation, correct situation. But day by day, step by step, and percentage by percentage, I improved my communication skill. So this thing, if you do, so definitely you can also improve your communication skill. You can also speak English very fluently from the beginning. Just accept this challenge that when you get up from your bed, so whatever you are speaking, try to speak in English. What I want to say, just indulge yourself into English environment. Okay, because the more you indulge yourself in the English content, the more you will be comfortable and you will speak English very easily. Okay, friends, so first thing you have to do that from morning to evening, what you speak, just try to speak in English. Okay, friends, the second one is that conversation. I told you in my previous video, I have talked about conversation. Conversation is also very, good exercise to speak English very fluently. Whenever you are talking to your friend, okay, first of all, I would like to tell you what is the meaning of conversation. Conversation means talking to each other. Okay, so whenever you are talking to your friend, try to speak in English. Okay, friends, if your friend is replying in Hindi, so don't worry, you continue with English. Translate your friend's sentences into English. Okay, but you continue your English. You just keep on speaking in English language. This is also very good exercise to speak English very fluently from the beginning. Just apply this strategy, friends. You will see changes yourself. Okay, and you can do one more thing, like think in your mind. Okay, We people are habituated to thinking something in our mind. So in place of thinking your mother tongue, try to think in English language. Okay friends, so this is also very good exercise to speak English very fluently from the beginning. What I want to say, if you involve yourself into English environment more and more, so this language would be easier for you. Okay, so if you are a beginner, and if you are a beginner and you want to speak very fluently from the beginning, so just accept this challenge that since morning to evening, whatever you speak, you have to speak in English. Okay, if the next person is not understanding you, so convert your sentence into Hindi. Okay friends, but first and foremost you have to speak in English, and you will struggle with words. You will not find enough word, you will not find enough sentence to speak. So definitely you will search in either in the dictionary or in the Google. Okay friends, so first and foremost you have to accept this challenge that for the coming days you have to speak in only in English. And second one is that whenever you are meeting your friend, so you have to talk in English language. Whatever topic may be anyone. Okay, topic may be anyone, whatever topic it is, you can choose any topic and you can discuss with your friend. Okay friends, and third one is that whenever just think in your mind, whatever you are thinking, think in your mind. If you are doing all these things, so definitely you can speak English very easily. Okay friends, I hope that this video is going to help you a lot in order to speak English very fluently from the beginning. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep practicing of your English. Bye bye.